Hello, this is a brief tutorial on the Larson General Contracting Tasks application on how to create and manage tasks. This application is available for any device that can go online, including smartphone, tablets, desktop computers, etc. Just go to larsongeneral.com. After logging into the Larson General Contracting application, you'll be redirected to your dashboard, where you will see various modules, including a notification module, a task module, and other modules if they're available for your user account. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your current tasks. To create a new task, simply click on Create New Task. Type in the name of the task that you wish to accomplish. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Task. You'll notice that the task shows up in your task lists as by a hammer. Also note that the task defaults to being due today. You can easily change this. Let's change this on this task item. Click on By a Hammer. Click on Update Task. Then change the date. We're going to change it to tomorrow. Click on Save a Task. And you'll notice it's changed to due tomorrow. If you wish to add more information about the task, for instance, where you're going to buy the hammer from, click on the task again, go to Update Task, and write a little description. So I'm going to say that I'm going to buy the hammer from Home Depot. When I click on Save Task, you'll notice that the description shows up in the task list. Once you've started the task, click on Mark Started. It will bring you to this screen. You could add more of a description if you wanted to. And then click on Save Task. You'll notice that the status has changed to Started. After you've completed the task, click on Mark Completed. Again, you could write in any extra information that you have about it. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Save Task again. The task is now in your completed task list. If you notice a task on a job site and you don't know who the task will be assigned to, but you know it's something that needs to be done, you can create a new task and then go down to Assign To and select the dotted line. Click on Save Task and you'll notice that it has become an unassigned task. These unassigned tasks show up on all users' task list pages, so it's a good way to communicate with your other workers about tasks that need to be done. If you wish to claim a task, click on the Claim Task button. It'll bring you to this page where you can again put in more detail about the task or change settings on the task and click on Save Task. It shows up on your task list now. Here's a little bit more information about the options that are available on the tasks. You can always change the title of the task. You can add more description about the task. It's always a good idea to add more detail about what's happening. You can change the status on the task to any of these statuses. You can change the due date on the task. The application does default to having a due date on the task, but you can erase the due date and have no due date on the task. It depends on the task, of course. You can assign the task to yourself, somebody else, or no one. Then you have an option for reminder frequency. It defaults to reminding you daily, and you'll receive a daily email about the task. If you have a due date on the task, it will also remind you the day before the task and the day that the task is due. Remember, you can always access the task list by clicking on the Task List button at the bottom of the page, or you can click on your user menu up on the upper part of the screen and click on the task list there. If you're using a phone or smaller device, the menu will look like this on the upper part of the screen, and you may need to scroll down to be able to find the task list up here. Thanks, and enjoy your new communication tool.